Hey guys, this is a quick video on proper latch maintenance. So right here we have our hood latch, and it just latches onto that thing right there if you can see it. And basically a lot of people kind of neglect these latches, and what they can do is they can actually break so that it actually releases your hood while you're driving. And if you're driving anywhere above 40 miles an hour, your hood will actually fly backwards and smash into the windshield. Here are a couple pictures of a guy that just happened to in the Z31 Facebook group I'm in. Basically guys, it just kind of rips your hood over and smashes the windshield, and in some cases, if it's hard enough, it'll actually crack the T-tops as well. So you really don't want to do that. So let's go ahead and right in here, let's see if we can see, there's a couple springs back down in there. Let's see if we'll focus on it. A little bit. So there's a couple springs back there, guys. Now what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and hit that with a couple shots of WD-40 just to kind of get it lubricated a little bit. And what we actually want to do is put a little bit of grease in there. Now I don't have any grease yet because I just started learning about latch maintenance. I really don't want my hood to break. So a little bit of WD-40 is going to be good. And this is the water resistant silicone lubricant. And so what this stuff is going to do is actually going to stay on here a lot better than just regular WD-40. So we'll help lubricate while I get some actual lubricant. You want to get just a regular kind of multi-purpose lube or an oil, something to put on there just to help it slide better. Now a symptom of this of your latch kind of starting to go out, and you can ask me how I know this because it's happening to me. Right down here, your hood latch, if you pull it forward and it kind of sticks there and you have to push it back forward again, that's a symptom of your hood latch starting to go out. So that's kind of dangerous, guys, because again, you don't want to be driving down the road and having it just smashing your windshield, because it's a lot of money for you and it's a big hassle when you're driving, especially if you got to go somewhere. So we want to go ahead and remember to lube your latches perfectly, guys. It's a pretty simple thing to do, and it's going to save you a lot of hassle in the long run. Alright, so that was just this quick video, guys. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask me down in the description.